From the basics to the crucial moment of deciding which programming language you are using, this TypeScript versus JavaScript debate is all you need to know before your next successful product. Hi everyone, I'm Karla from ClickIT team. Stick around as we explore the purposes, benefits, and top use cases that JavaScript and TypeScript have to offer. But before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more DevOps and software development content. Ready? Let's go! Understanding JavaScript. JavaScript is a high-level interpreted programming language, commonly used to make web pages more interactive. It is also highly versatile, meaning it can be used for tasks beyond front-end development, like real-time networking apps, command-line tools, games, etc. JavaScript Benefits. Cool, right? Well, those aren't the only reason why JavaScript is so popular in the TypeScript versus JavaScript conversation. In 2023, for the 11th consecutive year, JS was the programming language most commonly used worldwide based on the Stack Overflow's 2023 survey. Some of the benefits of JavaScript are what makes it common among developers and software engineering teams, like platform independence and interoperability. JS is a platform independent, running seamlessly on various browsers on operating systems. Versatility and simplicity. JavaScript can be used for client-side and server-side stacks. It is also relatively easy to use and learn compared to other languages. Client-side calculations. JS can perform basic client-side calculations without asking the server every time. This reduces the server's computation load. Large community. JavaScript has a large and active community, which means the language is regularly updated and improved to enhance its performance. We can understand why JavaScript has been so commonly used for a long time, right? Well, it's a great programming tool. If you think that too, let's go to the next part of the TypeScript versus JavaScript comparison and consider the benefits that TypeScript can add to the software development game. Let's get into it. Understanding TypeScript. TypeScript is a strongly typed programming language commonly referred to as JavaScript superset, which means that it's an upgraded version of JS that has all the things JS can do plus some additional features like static typing, type interfaces, abstract classes, compile time errors, shorthand notations. With this extra feature, TypeScript offers fresh and interesting benefits. Let's mention a few. TypeScript benefits. Better code readability and maintainability. TypeScript adds something called type safety that makes developers' lives easier. Developers can see the types of the data and function, making the code base self-documenting. Proactive bug catching. By catching type-related issues at compile time, TypeScript helps to find and fix bugs early. Improve productivity for developers. TypeScript offers features like code navigation, autocomplete, and refactoring, which improve the developer experience. Compatibility. JS is a platform independent, running seamlessly on various browsers and operating systems. Are you thinking about using TypeScript for your next project? Check out this blog where our team covers the step-by-step on how to install and use this programming language. TypeScript versus JavaScript key differences. Alright developers, it seems TypeScript versus JavaScript are pretty similar, aren't they? Let's discuss the differences between them. Typed. JavaScript is a dynamically typed language, which means the same variable can be used to hold different data types. Developers can write code without worrying about explicit type declaration until runtime. On the other hand, TypeScript is a statically typed language, which means you must declare variable types. In this case, developers must specify the variable types during development, allowing them to catch type-related errors at compile time. Syntax. TypeScript introduces a functional programming paradigm, offering features like interfaces, generics, enums, classes, including inheritance and implements. JavaScript is known for its simplicity and flexibility, while its syntax is more concise. It lacks TypeScript structure type system and some advanced features. Compile time errors. They also share differences regarding compile time errors as TypeScript code requires compilation and JavaScript code doesn't. Let's dive more into it. JavaScript errors are found in runtime, which means your tooling or your IDs will not catch simple typos and other human errors for you automatically. You have to discover them at runtime. TypeScript, on the other side, adds structure to JS, and it can automatically find errors for you and warn you as you are writing code. It can also catch this in boot processes. Compatibility. As TypeScript is a JavaScript superset, all valid JS code is also valid in TypeScript. But TypeScript needs to be transpiled into JavaScript before executions in a JavaScript runtime environment. Without this compilation step, TypeScript code cannot root effectively in JS environment. Learning curve. Another important aspect affecting your decision is how easy it is to learn each programming language. Learning TypeScript is more challenging compared to JavaScript. TypeScript demands more scripting expertise, so developers prefer mastering JavaScript first before working with TypeScript. TypeScript asks you to be more clear in your code by specifying types for your variables and functions, which can make it feel like you are writing more code. JavaScript, on the other hand, offers more flexibility and dynamic experience. It allows you to write code more freely. Use cases for JavaScript. Small to medium-sized web applications. JS is the smarter choice if your project doesn't require many features or complexities. It is ideal for platforms like landing page, e-commerce, shopping carts, web-based dashboards, and online polls and surveys. Cross-platform mobile apps. JS frameworks are designed to support cross-platform mobile app development across iOS, Android, and Windows. Server-side development. JavaScript is an excellent choice for writing server-side software through Node.js, which allows developers to write, test, and debug the code fast and scalable network applications. For rapid prototyping, JavaScript can help to translate ideas into function prototypes quickly. The dynamic typing simplicity and flexibility empower developers to make quick adjustments and experimental minimal constraints. Use cases for TypeScript. Large-scale applications. Suitable for complex, large-scale applications such as social media platforms, e-learning platforms, and enterprise applications. Teams with diverse skill sets. If you are working with a team with diverse skill sets, TypeScript could be a better fit as it can improve the team's productivity. API development. It is also a good option for API development, whether RESTful, GraphQL, or other types. With TypeScript, you can define clear and strict types for API endpoints, request payloads, and responses. This strengthens your code against runtime errors. Are you familiar with any other use cases for JavaScript and TypeScript? Share them in the comments. Technologies change every day, including programming language. So, TypeScript or JavaScript? Which one should you choose as a developer who keeps up with the times? TypeScript works great for enhanced code quality and early error detection, and JavaScript shines for its flexibility and extensive ecosystem. Deciding which language is better or which one to use is entirely up to you, and it depends on the task or project you are building. I hope this video helped you decide wisely between TypeScript versus JavaScript. If you are up for another fun debate, check out our previous video, where we go deep into the Python versus Flask comparison. Feel free to contact us if you have any more questions. See you!